Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Books and signing into your Google account so your searches and library sync. Type a clear query, title, author, ISBN, or a phrase, because precise terms return more useful previews. Once done, apply filters. Choose Full View for public domain works, Preview for limited pages, or library links to find physical copies. This saves time. Make sure to scan snippets and page thumbnails to confirm relevance before opening a book. Now refine results using advanced search. Set language, publisher, publication date, or subject to narrow thousands to a handful of matches. You click a promising title and skim the About This Book panel to understand editions and metadata, then open the preview to read sample pages. Use the Find in Book box to jump to specific terms, and when you locate what you need, save it to My Library or copy citation details for later. That preserves sources and speeds future retrieval. Finish by obtaining the text. Download the PDF only when full view permits, or follow library and purchase links to get the full copy. Use the citation tool to copy APA, MLA, or Chicago formats, or export RIS/BibTX for reference managers. This saves manual formatting. If a preview is blocked, don't panic. Check the library links option, search WorldCat for a nearby copy, or request the book via interlibrary loan, since those routes often overcome access restrictions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.